If the contact poster is not showing when you call someone or when someone calls you on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just open the Contacts app, then select the contact with which you are facing this issue. Now just tap on Contact Photo and Poster, then go to the Poster section, and from here just change the contact poster. Now you can change it to a memoji or to a monogram, or you can select a photo from your Photos app. Now after you've done that, then tap on Done and select the avatar of the contact. And once you do that, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Messages app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just look for the option of iMessage. If iMessage is disabled, just enable it from here. And if it is already enabled, just disable it, then enable it back on. Now just wait for a few seconds until iMessage is fully activated, then tap on Send and Receive, and from here just make sure you either select your Apple ID or your phone number. Now after you have done that, then go to your home screen and open the Contacts app. Now in the Contacts app, just tap on My Card. Now from here just tap on Shared Name and Photo. Then scroll down and at the bottom of the screen just enable name and photo sharing. Then tap on Share Automatically and make sure you select Contacts Only. Now after you enable name and photo sharing, then tap on Done to save. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And after you've done that, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just tap on Update Now and update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And this is how you can fix contact poster not showing on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.